Ever stared at a mountain of notes and thought, there's got to be a smarter way to study? Good news, there is. And it starts with learning how to ask your AI the right way. Welcome to your crash course on using AI to summarize study materials faster, clearer, and smarter. Whether you're prepping for finals, reviewing a lecture, or just trying to make sense of a dense textbook, this guide will show you how to use different prompt formats to get the best result from your AI. Let's break it down. Not all prompts are created equal. The way you ask AI to summarize something affects how it answers. Should you ask it as a question, give it a task, or use a statement? Different formats bring different results, and knowing which to use can save you time and boost your understanding. Let's look at the top 3 formats and how to use them right. Asking AI questions like, "Can you summarize my biology notes on the human digestive system?" gives you clear, conversational answers. Great for when you want a simplified or student-friendly explanation. Pros: feels like a tutor guiding you through the content. Cons: may skip over deep detail or key terms if not asked specifically enough. Best for science, math concepts, or when reviewing lecture notes. Try this format when you need quick, structured summaries. Summarize the key point from Chapter 5 of this history textbook. This prompts AI to give a more formal or outline-style response. Pros: efficient, focused, and great for skimming main ideas. Cons: might feel too brief or miss context unless you include details like tone, length, or format. Best for history, literature, business case studies. This format is creative and powerful. Act as a study coach and create a bullet point summary of my economics notes to help me revise for a test. Pros: gives context, tone, and structure like a tailored assistant. Cons: requires a bit more effort in writing the prompt, but the result is often worth it. Best for personalized review plans, summarizing long readings, or exam prep across subjects. Want the best results? Combine formats. Start with a question. Can you explain the main points of this? Then follow up with a task. Now turn that into a study guide with bullet points and quiz me after. AI is only as smart as your prompt. So experiment, mix it up, and see what works best for your brain. Be specific. Tell the AI what tone, length, and style you want. Give context. Include subject, chapter, or your level of understanding. Always double-check important summaries with your notes or textbook. You're not just saving time, you're learning smarter. Ready to upgrade your study game with AI? Like if this helped, comment your favorite prompt, share with a friend who's cramming for exams, and don't forget to follow, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart AI study tips. Let's make learning faster, easier, and way more fun together. Would you like a carousel version of this too? Slide by slide?